Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Yeah, so today I'm just going to show you guys intervals. So we have different type of intervals in music, right? We have, you can say, a 1 2 1 2 interval, 1 5 interval, 1 6 1 7 interval, right? So let me give an instance. This thing we play, right, is our interval. So now, how is it called? This is 1 3. And why is it called 1 3? Is because you're playing a 1 and your third, your 1 and your third. So everywhere becomes your 1 and third. So 1 3. The second one becomes your 1 3, right? So this one 1 3, right? So just be counting your 1 3 1 3 1 3, right? So 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3, right? So all of them like that. So let's have to count it. So when you want to play your 1 5, also do your 1 5. So 1 5 is your do re mi fa so. So it's ba ba, right? Same like that. So this one, the second one is your, we are starting from where, so re mi fa so la. So 1 2 3 4 5. So it's going to be, right? So it's your 1 5 1 5. You get it? So the next one is your mi, right? So mi fa sol la ti, right? So 1 2 3 4 5. So it becomes your bam bam. You get it? So bam 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 bam. You get it? So that's just the idea. So that's how you count it in numbers, right? So now what I'm going to do today is 1 6 interval, which is, right? Which is do la, right? So it's 1 6. The next one, right? So right, 1 6. So it's your re ti mi do, right? So that is also. Then you come down and play the same pattern. You get it? So you get it? So I'm actually trying to rush the class, right? So I don't want to waste much time on this. So if you want to go to your, you can do or anyone, right? So do re mi fa sol la. So 1 6, right? So this is ba ba. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So you see it, right? This, then right. So it's actually going to help you if you actually sit down and explore it, right? It's actually a nice exercise. Right, so just try it out, work on it. Actually use a metronome and work on it, and try doing something creative with it. I'm going to see you soon in my next class. Thank you.